So hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Nerd Patterns. So today quickly we are going to learn how to cut and sew a cam collar. So first of all, we'll learn how to draft the pattern for a cam collar before going into the stitching. Okay, so I'm going to fold this paper into two for us to draft our pattern. And the neck of the shirt where we are going to use are folded by 3 inches. And the length of the shirt, the neck of the shirt where we're going to fix this collar is 18 inches. All right. That is the neck of the shirt where we are going to fix this collar is 18 inches. So I've folded this by 3.5 inches wide, and I'm going to fold again. Just watch carefully how I am folding it. It's very simple. So I'm folding this. My target here is to get 15.5 inches because I am minusing 2.5 inches from the original size of the neck. So like I said before, the neck size of the shirt we are fixing this collar is 18 inches, but I'm minusing 2.5 inches. That will bring us to 15.5 inches. Okay, so 15.5, this is 15 here, all right, and a half. Okay, so that's what we are going to be using. Of course, there's a little, it's on 15 and it's on wideness of 3. You see, wideness of 3. So watch carefully. What I'm doing is very simple. So I'll come in by, all right, so I'll now go in by 4 inches. All right, so watch carefully how I'm going to curve this. Very simple and straightforward. Since I've curved it, now we'll simply cut it out. So you can see this is the neck pattern. All right, now we are going to place this on our fabric now and remove it exactly. We'll place this on our fabric. Okay, we'll place this on the white fabric and we'll remove it exactly. After we remove it, we'll go to the machine, to the table, apply paper gum to it. Then we'll come back to the machine for the stitching. We'll fold into two and then we'll stitch. All right, so let's do that. Now, so we have done that. We have applied paper gum and we have folded it into two. Now you can see it. So we're going to stitch and close up at the edges. Very simple and straightforward. I'm going to stitch and close up at the both edges. Guys, if you want to be part of my suit class, my safari suit class, any of my classes at all, that's my number on the screen. You can chat me up if you want to join any of my class at all. All right, so please subscribe to this channel. As you are watching, please subscribe. So we said we are looking for 15.5. So let's see from where we started sewing. You see we have our 15.5 there. Okay, so watch carefully how I'm going to turn this. Turn it over neatly, both sides. All right, very neatly. And we'll run a top stitch just to hold it together. Then we'll go ahead to weave it. Okay, so we can go ahead and weave it now. Then we'll come back to stitch it. Okay, so as you can see, we have weaved it. This is the center point, okay, and this center point is going to be aligning with the center back line. You can see center back line there. It's going to be aligning with it. So watch carefully how I'm going to stitch it. It's very simple, guys. Very simple. Now you observe that as I'm stitching, remember we said the neck of this shirt is 18 inches. We minus 2 to get the 15 and a half, which is serving as our collar size or length or width. All right, so you can see after stitching this, you can see that there's a remnant here. Can you see that? It's very intentional. That is because of the 2.5 inches I short from it. So we have 1.25 inch difference there. So we'll come to this side and also begin stitching from here, noting or leaving out that 1.25 inch that we have remaining that side. Can you see? Stitch at that point, leaving out that 1.25 inch. That is what is going to serve, okay, is going to give you that notch effect, okay, that V notch effect. Okay, don't worry, you will see it much more clear when I'm done. So we'll stitch from here back to the center of the shirt. Okay, guys, like I said, if you are interested in my suit class, just let me know in the comment section and I'll add you up to the class. If you're interested in any of my suit classes, female suit class, male suit class, let me know in the comment section. All right, and I'll add it. So you can see, watch carefully what I'm going to do here. See, I'm going to turn this over. All right, I'm going to turn it over. Sorry for the camera shaking. See, I'm going to turn it over this way, and then I'll stitch. Okay, very simple, easy and straightforward. Stitch and stop here. Come to this other side, do the same thing. Guys, we're almost done with this. We are almost done with this, guys. It's very simple and straightforward. I just notch it a little. So let's turn it over. Okay, we'll bend the allowance one side so that we can easily align it. Same thing, bend the allowance one side and turn over carefully. So you can see at this point our cam collar is coming out. It's very simple, very easy and straightforward. So watch carefully how I'm going to run the last stitch. Okay, and when you're running this stitch, you must ensure that the everywhere is flat so that you don't stitch and then it's rumpled under. This is to make the neck, the collar to align, to lie properly. Okay, can you see this? Very simple and straightforward. You can see this very clean. Turn to the back, very clean. everything is well aligned. Okay, so you can see this is our collar right here. You can see it's a collar right here. Just open it carefully, align it carefully, and then we'll iron it. All right. The length of the V here is at 6 inches. 6 inch. So we'll iron it properly. Iron both sides carefully. You see, I'm making this at 6 inches. Okay, folding it at 6 inches. Both sides at 6 inches. So guys, like I said before, if you want to be part of my suit class, chat me up and I will add you up to the class. Alright, so thanks for watching.